because it looks like something's wrong with the clutch.
Should have changed it yesterday.
So now what?
We can't go anymore.
Damn.
Clutch yangu imeenda.
Looks like the clutch gave out on us, so.
Sabuni itoe.
We have managed to fix back the clutch, so we did some repair. This was good, fantastic, fantabulous. So what we're looking forward is to always have this kind of adventures. I think it's nice once you get out of the city, you get to see a lot. I didn't know this existed. It's like a little ocean here.
Yeah, it's like an ocean.
Nice lake. So I love it here. I think I'll do it again. Maybe we can come. The weather feels so nice.
Yeah.
So I appreciate everyone for coming.
Yes.
We're doing this.